Well, here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to do is we're going to install some drop spindles on the Studebaker. I have a Camaro front suspension clip under there, and I'm going to use the brand I'm using is Right Stuff. I've had real good luck with their products, and so I'm real happy with it. I bought it. They cost a little more, but I'm real happy with their quality. And for a 67, 68, 69 Camaro front clip, there's the part number that you'll need. Here's a picture of the factory spindle, and what I'll try to do is do a split screen so you can see the difference between the 2-inch lowering and the factory spindle. Before we get started, here's kind of where we're starting at. And I've got a good 2 inches or more that's above the wheel there, between the wheel well and the tire. And so I wanted to drop that on down some. Here's a shot of the front now, and we have plenty of clearance for sharp turns or anything like that. And these tires ride nice, and look like it's going to do pretty good. For lowering the rear, for me, was very simple. What I did was drill holes 2 inches up on my original shackles, and that helped lower the spring and everything down. And what I have is about an inch or so showing in the wheel well, and I wanted to keep that much so that if I had a passenger or something in the rear, wouldn't have a risk of bottoming out. Well, here's the stance of the Studebaker, and kind of going up to the front. It's got it quite a bit lower, 2.5, 3 inches overall. Got it slammed down to the ground a little. And even on the rear, we lowered it 2 inches. And so anyway, new look on an old car.